Alright, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it is the moment you all have been waiting for. We are finally making another C5 video, and in this video we are going to be installing some interior trim pieces. I got them from Amazon. They're like carbon fiber trim pieces. I know some of you are going to say, but it's not real carbon fiber. Who really cares? It's on the inside of my car. It doesn't do anything. If anything, it's going to make this car look even better and maybe even add 1,000 horsepower. You never know. Could be the new fastest vet on the block with this stuff. I mean, all you gotta do is wipe down your interior, throw some fake carbon fiber interior trim pieces, and bada boom, bada bing, you have a ding, and you are the fastest Corvette in the world. Before we hop into this, I know some of you are gonna be like, it's been almost a year. It might even be more than a year since I've posted last, but things happen. Haven't had time to make videos, so got some free time. I know it's dark outside, so we got this handy dandy light letting y'all see my beautiful face. But we're gonna hop in this thing. I'll show you all the trim pieces before I get started, and we'll throw it on and just see what it looks like. Gonna be a simple install. Y'all are just gonna have to ignore the dirty ass car, but I mean, I got it kind of laid out how I want it, and I mean, it really don't look bad. I mean, it looks better than normal, because the C5 interiors are just plain and kind of boring. But I mean, so far it fits kind of nice. So first carbon fiber piece is installed, and as you can see, it fits like a glove. We already added 30 horsepower right there. I don't know, I mean, I kind of like the look with just this and this carbon fiber, but I'm gonna go ahead and add this just because we have it, and obviously it means more power, baby, so let's go. All right, so I'm almost done adding this part. I already added the cup holder. I mean, it doesn't fit perfectly, but it still looks kind of nice. Literally, all you do is peel off like this 3M backing and just slap it on there. And I mean, shit looks kind of nice. Well, that piece is done. And honestly, like, look, it fits like a glove over here. Sorry for all the crust, but it literally fits like a glove. I'm very impressed with how this is all fitting. Looks nice. And just like that, that trim piece is done. Alright, so all the trim pieces are installed. It took me probably a total of 10 minutes, even while recording this video. Super simple. And honestly, I think they look a lot better than what I expected. Everything lined up a lot better than I expected too. Just looks a lot better than just old crusty plastic in my opinion. But I'll let y'all be the judge of that. If you all are interested in buying this for your Corvette, I will link the product in the description below, so you all can go cop it and gain 1,000 horsepower just like me. I already showed you this, but I'll go over it again. This is the center console, carbon fiber. And then up here, we got this. I mean, it doesn't fit perfect, but it looks decent. Over here, this one fits a lot better, and I think it looks nice. You also got the door trim right there. And then if I go over here and zoom in a little bit, you got this one. I think this one fits the best. You also can't beat it because they gave me an air freshener. Now, I don't know if it smells good or not. I'll open it up real quick. Just opened it up, and honestly, it smells really good. It smells like some Fruit Loops. I'm just gonna throw that up here. Air freshener smells nice. The carbon fiber looks nice. Everything's nice. Tonight is nice. Y'all are nice. You smell nice. Y'all look nice. I hope y'all have a nice night. And like I said, if y'all are interested in this, I'll link it down in the description below. Super simple install. It takes maybe 10 minutes. If I can figure it out, you can figure it out. And with that being said, I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.